Hare Krishna. I said yesterday that animal body is meant for nourishing the material body, whereas the human form of life is meant for nourishing the spirit soul. That spiritual intelligence is possible to be awakened only by a human being. Animals simply focus on eating, sleeping, mating and defending and don't do anything beyond that. But humans can ask a question about why, against my will and wish, my body is turning old, my body gets diseased, I am ejected out of my sense gratification program and dragged to the graveyard, either to be buried or burned. Who am I? Why have I been put here in this world of suffering? These questions only human being can ask. You will see when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was approached by Rup Sanatan in Ramkeli, they both were actually working under the Nawab Shah, and they were completely unhappy about the situation because it was a place where they saw the cow flesh was being eaten and there was degradation. And they didn't want to continue in that position, although they were ministers, finance minister and home minister of Bengal. They were given 2 palaces also to live. They had gold coins, which were filled in one boatload of gold coins they had. They were not happy with the wealth because they were spiritually serious. So when they met Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they fell at his feet and cried and said, we are suffering in this world. How to get out of this world? Like that Sanatana Goswami said, who am I? Why am I suffering threefold miseries in this world? How to get out of it? Please tell me. So this is a right platform for a disciple to approach the spiritual master to receive the gift of the holy name of Nama Japam. And Mahaprabhu accepted them as his disciples and they became great souls. Similarly, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he went to Bangladesh, there was one great scholar there called Tapan Mishra, who had read many Vedic literature, and he became more confused than ever before. He was reading all those impersonal literature and he was fed up. He could not come to a conclusive understanding of the absolute truth and he was very frustrated. When he met Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he cried and said, the truth is evading me. Please tell me what is the truth and what I should do. What is one thing if I do, my life will be perfect, human life. And Mahaprabhu gifted him the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. You will read in Chaitanya Bhagavata to Tapan Mishra. And told him to go and reside in Varanasi and told him that I will come in future to meet you. So, in the same manner, you will see there was one Shiva worshipper who was greedy after wealth, gold, and things like that. So Lord Shiva sent him to Sanatana Goswami. Although Sanatana Goswami is a pure devotee of Krishna, he did not gift him the holy name. What did he give him? Parsimony, touchstone. He said, this is what you are after this? Okay, it's lying in the pile of refuse, garbage, take it. So he picked it up and went and converted everything into gold, touching the things in his house. And then he was still frustrated. And he thought Sanatana must be having something better than this. So he came back. And Sanatana Goswami told him, if you really want what I have better than the touchstone, throw the touchstone in the river and come back to me. And then when he did that, then Sanatana Goswami gave him the gift of the holy name. So I told you 3 examples. One of Rup Sanatan going to Chaitanya, Tapan Mishra going to Lord Chaitanya, and this businessman going to Sanatana Goswami. All these people were seeking people, and they were not dead people. Those who are seeking solution to the problems of life, those who are seeking knowledge of God, those who want to awaken their love for God, those who want to get out of this world and go back to the original home from where we have fallen. They are the people who deserve to be awarded with the chanting of the holy name. Therefore, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Bhakti Vinoda Prabhu চরণে পড়িয়া সেই নাম মহামন্ত্র loyilo magiya. He says that loyilo magiya. One should request the Guru to gift the holy name and then accept the holy name. Not that you catch somebody and give them diksha. That is not diksha. Diksha means the divyam jnanam yato dadyat. Ksha means kuryat papasya sankshayam. That means giving transcendental knowledge and destroying the sinful reactions is done by the Guru to the disciple by the means of the chanting of Nama Japam. But that is only given. Disciple should extend the hands and beg for the holy name. Then only Guru should give Diksha. Not that you take a big mass of people and sprinkle some water and give them Diksha. Some Gurus do like that. So now you may wonder, if this is so, then why are you doing Harinam Sankirtan in the street? And that is like a sample soap. It's freely distributed just to increase the spiritual greed of the people. When people hear the holy name in Harinam, sometimes Vishwagiri Prabhu does Kirtan and people come following him to the temple. Then they will take darshan. Then they will hear the lecture. And then they will develop the impetus to go to Guru and seek Diksha. And then Diksha is given. So, why did I say all these things? If we find ourselves not serious in spiritual life, that is because we have not come in a seeking mood. Somebody caught us and gave us, so we accepted it blindly. And therefore we are stuck externally doing spiritual life and internally wanting sense gratification. But if we are really seeking to get out of this world and go back to Godhead, there will be very strong impetus. Just like you are very hungry, you will take the plate and run. But if you are not hungry, then you will not go. People have to come and beg you, please come, please come, please come, isn't it? Beggars also, if you give cookies, they turn away because they want money. The hungry beggar will eat whatever you give. So the holy name should be sought. Otherwise, ninth offense. Ninth offense is don't forcibly give Diksha to somebody who is not ready for it, who is not seeking it. So we also can learn a lesson that we have to become sincere seekers of the absolute truth in our life, because human life is short, time is very precious, body is running out of fuel, eventually it will get old and perish one day. Before it perishes, the intelligent devotee of God will be exhibiting utmost seriousness in chanting of the Nama Japam every day, return back to Godhead. Harinam Prabhu ki. Let us offer our humble obeisances unto all the Vaishnava devotees of the Lord who are just like desert trees or ocean of mercy and full of compassion for the fallen conditioned souls. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Ananta Koti Vaishnava Vrinda ki, Vaishnava Thakur Srila Prabhupada ki, Namacharya Haridas Thakur ki,